Hello and very good morning to one and all. This is Prabhat Sharma before you once again, and today we will have the discussion on the summary of the story, the short story. The name of the story is A Day in the Country by Chekhov. In the previous lectures, we have done the reading, and now it's the time for the summary. A Day in the Country. In this topic, we will now know the summary of the story A Day in the Country by Russian writer Chekhov. So, as mentioned, it is written by the story, an interesting story written by Russian writer Anton Pavlovich Chekhov. It tells us a story of Trinity, who is a homeless cobbler, who is an unsung hero. Okay, so here comes the summary. Please be attentive. In a village, a 6-year-old little girl named Fyokla came running through. The village was preparing for a storm. So, as the story begins, what we see that a little girl is running around and she is running and searching for his uncle. Actually, she is calling everybody uncle in this story. Okay, so the name of the girl was Fyokla. So, as the story opens, we see that the village was preparing for a storm. So, the storm was about to come, and the villagers were searching for the shelter. Okay, तूफान से बचने की तैयारी कर रहे थे गांव के लोग. So, this is a story whose plot is based on a small village in a countryside of Russia about 100 years ago. So, the village was preparing for a storm, and Foklia was asking every uncle. This is how she calls the people in the village. Okay, and she wanted to know where Uncle Trinity was, because Foklia was able to receive help from a man whose name was Trinity, who was a tall man with thin pocket. Okay, he was a tall man with thin pocket. Sorry, he was a tall man who pock-marked face, very long legs, and he was bare feet, as you can see in the picture. What all think characteristics are there? Physical attributes of Trinity, the old man, tall old man. Okay, it was tall old man, and he was very thin, pock-marked face, very long legs, and bare feet, dressed in a woman's tattered jacket. ये भी गरीब था बेचारा. He does not look hero type, है ना? But he is the real hero of a story. Fyokla asked to help free her brother Danilka, whose arm got stuck in a tree. उसका हाथ पेड़ के अंदर कहीं फंस जाता है उसके भाई का. Trinity agreed, disregarding the storm. वो तूफान की परवाह नहीं करते हुए उस बच्ची के साथ उसके भाई की मदद के लिए आता है. सो व्हाट वी सी हियर, Trenti agreed, disregarding the storm, to help Fyokla's brother and ensuring Fyokla in a fatherly manner that he will free him. I shall tell you once again. Foklia came to Trenti, and Fyokla actually pronunciation Fyokla, asked to help free her brother Danilka. Russian names are a bit difficult for us, strange names, huh? So Fyokla asked the help of Trenti. And why did Fyokla ask the help? Fyokla asked to help free her brother Danilka, whose arm got stuck in a tree. Trinity agreed, disregarding the storm, to help Fyokla's brother and ensuring Fyokla in a fatherly manner that he will free him. And eventually he freed Danilka. The children eventually loved that old man. Trinity may not look like it, but he answers to all the questions. He's an intellectual person, he's a minded person. Although he's not educated, okay, he has not learned from books, he has learned from nature. So Trinity may not look like it, but he answers all the questions, and there is no secret in nature which baffles him. उसको प्रकृति के सारे राज पता है. He has got all the secrets known to him of nature. So he knows everything. And not only he, actually all the villagers know as much as he does. Okay, so the people living in the countryside, they've got quite a huge knowledge about nature. They are living in the lap of nature only. So he knows everything. And all the villagers know as much he does, but the children love him because he is willing to share his knowledge and time with the two orphan children. ये दोनों अनाथ बच्चे हैं. उनको अपना टाइम देता है, उनको समझाता है, सिखाता है नई चीज़ें. All the three retire to a deserted barn after the children spend a day with the old man. Trinity shows sincerity and love for two orphan children. Trinity comes back later and puts bread under their heads and prayed for them while they are asleep. So Trinity उनकी मदद करता है, उनको खाने के लिए ब्रेड लाकर भी देता है, और जब वो सो जाते हैं, जब भी वो अनाथ हैं, होमलेस हैं. In this way, Trinity tries to make the lives of Fyokla and Danilka a little better than his own. तो उनकी ज़िंदगी, वो भी अनाथ रहा होगा, इसलिए वो इनकी मदद बहुत करना चाहता है. ओके, तो ये अभी तक हमने स्टोरी में देखा कि वो उसका कोई आगे पीछे नहीं है, लेकिन वो इन दोनों बच्चों का बहुत ही ध्यान रखता है. He is taking care of this. So before we proceed, let me tell you what all things are important in this. A Day in a Country is a poem written by Chekhov, as I have told you, and it pays homage to an unsung hero. And who's our unsung hero here? He is a homeless cobbler whose name is Trinity. Okay, so all credit for helping those children by showing the humanity, love, compassion. Okay, goes to this man, this old man, who himself is poor, but he is helping others, like especially the small children. In the beginning of the story, a beggar girl named Fyokla, who's about 6 years old, comes running through a village. कहानी की शुरुआत कहाँ से बताई है? एक 6 साल की बच्ची दौड़ते हुए गांव में आती है. द विलेज इज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एन अप्रोचिंग स्टॉर्म. तो वो तूफान आने वाला है, तूफान से बचने की तैयारी में लगे हैं सब गांव के लोग. शी एड्रेसेस एवरीवन एज अंकल एंड शी इज सर्चिंग फॉर सम पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. वो सभी को अंकल कह के संबोधित करती है और वो किसी व्यक्ति विशेष को ढूंढ रही है. लेट अस यूज दैट पर्सन. शी फाइनली फाइंड्स ट्रिंटी इन अ किचन गार्डन. तो किसको ढूंढ रही थी? ट्रिंटी को ढूंढ रही थी. And who's Trinity? He's a tall old man with a thin, pock-marked face, a very long legs, bare feet, dressed in a woman's tattered jacket, as it has been explained in the lesson by Chekhov. So he does not look like a hero at all. Okay, but why Foklia is searching for him? But Foklia is searching desperately for someone to help in freeing her brother Danilka, whose hand is stuck in a tree. अपने भाई की मदद के लिए किसी को ढूंढ रही थी और यही उसको सही व्यक्ति मिला. कौन? ट्रिंटी, ओल्ड मैन. बट फ्योक्ला इज सर्चिंग desperately for someone to help in freeing her brother Danilka, whose hand is stuck in a tree. Trinity does not give importance to the approaching storm and talking reassuring in fatherly tones, he goes to free Fyokla's brother. तो वो उसकी मदद ही नहीं करता है, उसको अश्योर भी करता है कि चिंता नहीं करना, घबराना नहीं बेटा, मैं हूँ ना, मैं कर दूंगा, ठीक कर दूंगा, आपके भाई को बचा लूँगा. द स्टोरी टेल्स अस दैट ट्रिंटी आंसर्स ऑल क्वेश्चंस. सेकेंड पार्ट स्टोरी में ये देखा कि वो बच्चा जब फ्री हो जाता है वो उससे तरह तरह के प्रश्न करता है, क्वेश्चंस का रेस करता है और ये ट्रिंटी उसको आंसर करता है लॉजिकली. द स्टोरी टेल्स अस दैट ट्रिंटी आंसर्स ऑल द क्वेश्चंस एंड देयर इज नो सीक्रेट इन नेचर विच बैफल्स हिम. ही नोज एवरीथिंग. ये लाइन मैंने कोट करी है उसमें से, किताब में से. क्या पता चलता है ट्रिंटी के बारे में? दैट ही आंसर्स ऑल द क्वेश्चंस एंड देयर इज नो सीक्रेट इन नेचर विच बैफल्स हिम. ही नोज एवरीथिंग. ऐसा राइटर ने कहा है स्टोरी में, और वही मैं भी आपको दोहरा रहा हूँ, रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. द राइटर फर्दर एडेड्स दैट indeed all the villagers, generally speaking, know as much as he does. एक्चुअली गांव में सभी लोग इतना जानते हैं. बट द डिफरेंस इज दैट ट्रिंटी इज विलिंग टू शेयर हिज नॉलेज एंड टाइम विद द टू ऑर्फन चिल्ड्रन, सो द चिल्ड्रन लव हिम फॉर दिस रीज़न. इसीलिए बच्चे, दोनों अनाथ बच्चे हैं, उनके माँ बाप नहीं हैं बच्चों के, वो उस व्यक्ति को, बूढ़े व्यक्ति को बहुत चाहते हैं. वो उनकी हेल्प भी करता है और उनको ज्ञान की बात भी बताता है. द टू चिल्ड्रन रिटायर टू डिजर्टेड बार्न. एक खलिहान में जहाँ पहले अनाज अनाज रखते थे, अभी कोई वीरान पड़ा हुआ है, वहाँ पर वो बच्चे सो जाते हैं जाकर, उनका कोई घर नहीं है. सो द टू चिल्ड्रन रिटायर टू अ डिजर्टेड बार्न आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग द डे विद ट्रिंटी, एंड ट्रिंटी गोज टू अ टैवर्न. Chekhov further tells about Trinity's sincerity and love for the two orphan children. सो चेखव और भी बताते हैं कि वो कितना बच्चों से प्यार करता है, उनको कितना चाहता है, कितनी मदद करता है, हाउ सिंपैथेटिक ही इज. ओके. Trinity comes back later and puts bread under their heads, making the sign of the cross while they are asleep. सो उनको ब्रेड लाकर उनके सिरहाने पर रख देता है ताकि बच्चे वो ब्रेड खा सकें. ठीक है. And in this way, Trinity is trying to make the lives of Fyokla and Danilka a little better than his own. उसकी खुद की ज़िंदगी अच्छी नहीं है, लेकिन वो दोनों बच्चे जो हैं, फ्योक्ला और दनिल्का, उनकी ज़िंदगी को बेहतर बनाने के लिए वो सारी कोशिश करता है. ओके. सो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी how that man is helping those orphan children. Okay guys, so before children, before we end this video, just watch this clip On a Day in a Country, written by Chekhov.